Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Shippo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in goshippo.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official GoShippo website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed with entering your email address and your password, and you will be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your orders page, from which if you wish to change your email address, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings menu. From this page, scroll down and tap on the profile menu underneath account. Within this page, you will now see your email section. Just click on the email box and then type in your desired new email address. After entering your desired new email address, click on the save button and you will be asked to verify your email by entering your account password. After you enter your account password to verify your identity, you will need to click on the confirm link that is sent to your new email address. So check the inbox of your new email address that you have just entered within this box, and you will find the activate button. Once you click on this button, your email address will successfully be changed. And now you can use your new email address to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Shippo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.